Thank you for shopping with Red River Chevrolet, and we'd like to tell you a little bit more about this vehicle that comes equipped with Preferred Equipment Group 1WT, WT Convenience Package,
keyless entry, Bluetooth smartphone integration,
Suspension Package,
rear view camera,
Chevrolet Infotainment 3 Premium Audio System, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 System, Solar Absorbing Tinted Glass, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto,
and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer.
Since its founding in 1931, Red River Chevrolet has been a cornerstone in our community, serving generations of customers. We go out of our way to find the best people in the industry to provide world-class service and deliver the best purchasing and owning experience for all of our guests. So come see us today and see why so many happy drivers choose Red River Chevrolet, where we've been making car buying fun since 1931.